That is Sarvaswa. So coming to the winners, shall I start with the kids? It's ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಬ್ರೂಟಲ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬಟ್ competition is a competition and we have to decide on choreography, technique, costumes, their presentation, several aspects. So the first place goes to the Krishna Janmashtami.